Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I will explain why you might not be receiving notifications on your smartwatch connected to an iPhone. This is for iPhone users who have a non-brand smartwatch, for example watches purchased from Temu, AliExpress or similar stores. Today I will show you the possible causes, also how to fix them, so let us begin. First of all, let's check the connectivity. One of the most common reasons is that your smartwatch is not connected or paired with your iPhone. How do you know that? If your watch name does not appear in the connection section, it means that the watch is not paired. If it's not paired, you must pair it. We already have a video showing how to do this from an iPhone. Second option, apps notification not activated. Another common reason you did not activate notification for the app you want. For example, you may have TikTok, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram or even WhatsApp activated, but if you want notification from Messenger, Skype or Line, you must manually activate them. If the app is turned off, you will not receive notifications on an iPhone 16e. Now 3, do not disturb or silence mode is on. So if do not disturb or silent mode is activated, notifications will not appear. You must disable do not disturb or receive notifications. This option blocks notifications completely, so make sure you have them deactivated if you want to receive notifications, of course. 4, distance between devices. If your watch and iPhone are more than 10 meters apart, notifications and calls may not arrive, so keep both devices close together if you want to receive notifications and calls. Weak internet signal. A poor internet connection can stop notifications. Restart your router, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, and your connection should be restored. Watch software outdated. Your smartwatch firmware may be outdated. Open the watch app, look for firmware or software update, check the version. If an update is available, install it. iPhone software outdated. This is rare but possible. To update your iPhone, go to settings, search for software update, tap software update, install any available update. Keeping your iPhone updated is always recommended. Wrong app for pairing. You may be using the wrong app to connect your watch. To verify the correct app, check the QR code inside your smartwatch, scan it, download the official app provided by the manufacturer. Using the wrong app can cause notifications problems. Unofficial or modified apps. This is very important and it is very common. If you use unofficial apps such as modified versions of WhatsApp or other social media apps, notifications may not work. These versions are not officially supported. Always download official apps from the App Store. This protects your notifications and your security. Watch does not support notifications. This is rare, again, but some very cheap smartwatches may not support social media notifications. If you do not see notifications options inside the app, your watch may not support this feature. This situation is uncommon, but it can happen. If this video helps you, like it, leave a comment, share, everything right there. So it really helps us a lot to reach more people. Again, I have you have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.